The most popular question every year is what's the difference between la'u and lo'u? But did you also know that there's a sa'u and so'u, nia'u, nio'u, a'u, and o'u? What's the difference if they all mean my? There's also lao and lo, sao, so, lana, lona. But if you know how to do this first row right here, then you can apply that knowledge to figure these out as well. So the first thing we need to do is pick a noun. So let's pick penitala or pencil. If there's no letter in the first column, then it's plural and a specific set of penitala. If there's a L, then it's a singular and specific penitala. We're talking about this specific one right here. If we use S, then we're saying a penitala, not a specific one, just a penitala. If we bring down ni, then it's a plural and non-specific. So ni is basically just the plural of the S. In the second column, we have A and O, and these are talking about different types of possession. And we don't do this in English, so this is why a lot of people get confused. In the Samoan language, A-class possessions, generally speaking, are going to be disposable items and also like relationships and situations that you have control over. Here's a list of some A-class possessions. If we bring the O down instead of the A, O-class possessions are things that are out of your control and also relationships that you were born into. You'll hear people sometimes interchange the A and the O class due to context, and sometimes people just don't know the difference. But whatever you do when you're talking about la'u and lo'u, make sure that your parents, your family are O class. Here's a list of some O class possessions. This last column right here, the U, as in la'u or la'u penitala, focus on the word in the middle, which is la'u. L, we bring the L down, that makes it singular and specific. The A is because penitala is an A-class possession, and then the glottal stop U is for my. So singular and specific, A-class possession of mine. So ola'u penitala, my pencil. If I bring down the S and I said sa'u penitala, we use the S because it's non-specific. It's like saying a pencil of mine. Say ni, so I bring down the ni. Now we have to figure out, is it going to be an A-class possession or O-class possession? We already said that pencil is a A-class, so A-class right there. So ni, and this column right here combines with that column, all right? So nia'u, nia'u. So some of my pencils, some of my pencils. As you can see, all of these words mean my, and you can apply this knowledge down to figure out the different types of your and his, her, or its.